Hi guys, today I would like to show you my garden. It's beginning of March, it's a wonderful day, it's sunny, the birds are singing, the bees are flying already, so the spring is really coming into the garden. Most of the garden is still kind of sleeping, but full of buds, ready to pop up. And there are flowers already in full bloom. So let's have a look. We will start by the magnolia. It is queen of the spring. As you can see, the buds are all over the tree. I cannot wait for the beautiful white blooms. Mahonia is already blooming. It is one of the first bloomers in the garden. And the amazing smell. Just love it. The bees and bumblebees love it as well. Erica is also early bloomer. Tiny pink flowers are pretty tender, so as you can see, that is why I cover it with leaves. Daisies are already showing up in the grass. How lovely. One of my favorites are crocuses. I love especially these violet and lavenderish color of them. And the bees love them as well. So sweet to watch them enjoy the flowers. These other crocuses are below a tree in a slightly shady place. That is why they are a little bit late. Snowdrops are such a tender beauty, moving in the wind. Amazing plants that flower even in the snow, very hardy and tender at the same time. This lovely willow is always full of bees. Whenever it flowers, you can hear the bees and bumblebees flying all over the tree. I just love touching these soft, fluffy buds. So tender that I cannot resist. Oh, this is Freddy, our dear friend, coming back to our garden and is knocking on our door in the morning. Here are some more crocuses. Here we are coming to a curly hazel. It gives us few nuts every year. Oh look, tulips are already coming. Sleeping mulberry tree and colchicea also sleeping, but full of buds. In the spring, it is full of little white blooms that become light pink during the time. Azalea bud, flowering in bright yellow color. And this is a wonderful big rhododendron. It will start flowering very soon. This one has beautiful white flowers. It will start flowering very soon. And this is heuchera. It's already starting with new leaves. I really like this color. There is so many color variations and it's very nice plant below trees and shrubs. As you can see on the overview, the garden still looks like sleeping. Dried hydrangea flower. I like to leave the flowers on the plants during winter, because of some winter interest, but as you can see, there are already new leaves coming. Time to cut the old flowers. Holly is also ready to flower. It has tiny yellow flowers. There is our amazing big pine tree with the spruce below. These are Paulownia seeds. And these are this year buds ready to flower. The bell-shaped violet flowers are strongly scented. It is joy when this tree is in full bloom. There is beautiful scent all over the place. This is Breach next to it. Very nice, shady place in the summer. Wonderful to sit down below. Dried grass makes also very nice winter interest. Now it is time to cut it down and let the new growth come up. Beautiful blue overhanging cedar. Blackcurrant can handle some shade. So it is underplant of our apple tree, which has buds as well. Now we are entering the edible garden. We have started to build it last year, so it is full of young trees and shrubs. Here we have black and red currant next to an apricot tree. Lonicera kamchatica has the very first berries in our garden. The taste is like blueberries, just the shape is a little bit different. Here we have another wonderful magnolia. This is 20 years old and this one has purple flowers. This young tree is peach with very beautiful dark pink flowers and should have peaches with red color inside. This is another peach which we moved from very bad shady place, so I hope it will be better now as this is a full sunspot. Here is our greenhouse. This spring I plan to make some changes because of mice. So sorry for the mess here. Garlic is already coming. Parsley looks very nice. Look this way whole winter. I can recommend having it always in the garden. It's full of vitamins. Kale looks very nice and the leeks look okay. I should use them in the kitchen already. Here are some Asian greens. which is nice into salads, but it will soon go into flower. Chard that makes me happy anytime I see it. I love these different colors. This is perennial onion that is grown only for the green part. Here we have one young plum tree. And one apple tree. The apple tree is variety Golden Delicious. And these strawberries were planted in August. They look pretty nice. And some more crocuses at the end.
Okay guys, this is all from today's garden tour. I hope you like that, and if you want to see more of the garden story, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell if you don't want to miss the other videos. So, have a beautiful spring. Bye bye!